start 7. I'm ready now.
Hey guys, what's up everyone? You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to today's video, guys. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a tip, a remedy that would actually help you to gain weight. So guys, you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great tip that you can use to gain those healthy weight at the right places and look beautiful. Okay, so do thumbs up this video and subscribe. And this I have here is milk. Now milk is actually a great remedy when it comes to you gaining a whole lot of weight. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be turning the milk into this cup. And then we're going to be taking some of those yogurts. Alright, so that is enough. Alright, tastes good. Tastes really nice. Okay guys, so the next ingredient for this gaining fat remedy is potato. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to grab your potato and you're going to peel the potato. Now it has to be, I would have used sweet potato because sweet potato is actually, you know, healthy when it comes to gaining a whole lot of weight. But since I can't get my hand hold on sweet potato, that's why I'm actually using Irish potato. So you can actually use the Irish potato, or if you can get hold of sweet potato, that is actually going to be very, very better. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is that I'm gonna go wash this Irish potato and then I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna cook it and then I'm gonna blend it, and I will be right back. So here I have my blended Irish potato. So what you do is that we're gonna be taking the potato and then we're gonna be putting that into this cup, and then you're going to be mixing it, and this drink has to be thick. Okay, now the next ingredient, which is very, very important and needed in here, is rice. Okay, you have to get a hold of your rice. Okay, and what you do is that I'm gonna be washing this rice first of all. This is actually a local rice, so before I'll cook it I'll have to wash it. So I'm gonna be washing the rice. And then sieving out the juice. The water, sorry. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm gonna go boil this rice and then blend it. Okay, and then when I'm done blending it I will be right back. So here I have my boiled and blended rice. Okay, it looks like a pudding. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be taking that and then I'm gonna be putting that into this cup. Guys, you drink this every morning. Mix this and drink this every morning. Make sure that your milk is actually very much, the yogurt is is really much, and then put the rice and potato, blend it to very smooth, just like this. Wow, you are going to be enjoying yourself, literally. Okay, and this is actually going to help you to gain those healthy fats at those right places in which you want them to be. Okay guys, so let's go take this and get those healthy weights at the right places. Okay guys, so this is my gaining fat remedy, and this drink is an amazing drink that helps you gain weight, grow fat. Now, since it is an healthy drink, you're not going to be gaining those weights at the wrong places. You're going to be gaining those weights at the right places, okay, which is the and the back, literally. Okay, and this is an healthy drink. So what you do is that it has to be drunk the day you process it. Okay, you don't actually make this one and keep it. No, it's not a drink you make and keep. It's a drink that you have to, make and then drink it, and that's it. Okay, you can actually drink this every day, every evening, basically. Take it as your breakfast every evening, for like 2 to 3 weeks, and you're going to see you gaining weight a whole lot at the right places. Yeah, so this is it, and it is very healthy. Do not store it, just make it at a go. Put it in your cup, drink it. You can put it in your straw and drink it, and this is actually gonna help you gain weight very, very fast. All right, let me have a taste because I'm already fat. Yeah, the thing is that since I'm pregnant and I'm carrying a baby, I'm adding up so well. I know that some of you guys are going to be asking me and all of that. Yeah, I'm carrying a baby and I'm fat already, so I don't need more of it because I have my chest is loaded. Okay, let me have a take. This is really nice. Okay guys, so this is an amazing fat drink that will help you to gain those healthy fat at the right places. So you go try this out and you are gonna be loving it because it's healthy. It's gonna make you gain weight and at those right places. Okay, so give this a go and you are going to be loving the results, okay, after some time. So that's it guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.